What does check-in one found mean on YouTube? Please like the video if this helps and subscribe to help me get to 100,000 subscribers. So if we take a look at my latest video, we can see that monetization is on and there's no issues whatsoever with the monetization. However, when I was uploading it as a draft, this came up here. It says check-in one found. Now, this means that the automated system has potentially detected something that might be an issue, but most of the time this will resolve itself during the upload process. This means that you shouldn't delete the video and you don't need to do anything. Simply wait until your video has finished processing and wait for the outcome of the monetization. The reason why check-in one found sometimes appears is because the YouTube algorithm does a lot of scans and checks to check for many things like the suitability of the subject, music, any copyrighted material, and sometimes the algorithm might detect something that might be an issue, but after some further checks it deems it not an issue and it is discarded and you can then monetize the video. So that is to say, if you have check-in one found on one of your videos, simply wait until it's finished uploading. If it turns to monetize green, everything is fine and you don't need to worry. If it does come up after the checks that there's an issue on monetization after it's fully uploaded, then you may have to re-upload the video if you want monetization. But yes, do not worry, just wait for the upload to finish processing if you get the notification check-in one found.